No kids, okay. 1, 2, 3. It's subog now. What's up, guys? So we're here at the heart of the city of Seattle, which is the Space Needle, and it's raining. It's freezing cold in here, and we're heading to the Starbucks to meet this YouTuber slash blogger. We'll meet them in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's that? That's Steph. And that's Mike right there. Hi! Hi, Emma! Maayong buntag! Hi, Liam! Oh. Hi!
What's that? You're doing it. Oh, no? No?
I know.
Oh, look at that camera. I want to get one.
Hi, Mama. Ayong buntag.
She just woke up.
Oh,
Say, good morning. Magandang umaga.
I like her eyes.
So serious.
Yeah.
So serious.
Step right there. Mike right there once again. Emma.
You just got some kisses.
And Liam is like, okay, whatsoever. Hi, Emma. Hi, say hi. Maayong buntag. I stole Emma from the Frost family.
We can't touch it. I love it. Do you want to put Emma? It's time to stay in your parking or shower. Do you want to carry her out? Hi, we're home. We just got back from Seattle Center. Yes, we went to meet up with the Frost family, which is Stephanie. She's Filipina. Bisaya too, which is yes! Bisaya! Dili ko mag-English! Dili mo dibagalong!
And Mike is from Seattle.
Yeah, and Mike is from Seattle. And they have 2 kids, Emma and Liam.
They're so cute.
Yeah, the kids are so cute and such a very down-to-earth and nice people. I'm so glad we met them, and I am so happy and glad I met Emma. I met Emma in flesh.
She's so smart.
Yeah, she's so smart. I just see her on YouTube. Maayong buntag.
You're like doing this.
Yeah, she's so cute. But she's really smart. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Like, she keeps hugging me. She just won't let go. She won't let go. She was crying when her dad took her away from me. Yeah, I love her. I wanna have a baby.
Oh my gosh. Let's have a baby now. Oh, sorry. PG, okay? Parental guidance.
Is it PG?
Parental guidance.
Patay gutom?
I'd like to say thank you for meeting us up.
Yeah,
Actually,
thank you, Stephanie. Thank you, Mike.
Yep.
For the time. Yeah, so tell them what did we do in the Seattle Center. So we meet up, and then we went inside Chihuly Garden since it's their first time. That was our second time in the Chihuly Garden, but still, like,
it's amazing.
It still amazes me every time I go inside. And Emma, she's so cute. Like, when she goes in, she's like, wow.
I know.
Yeah, and she points to the
colors.
The colors, like red, white, green. She's so cute.
She said something like, white. Why? I said why? Why? No, she's pointing like white, not white.
And then she's like, come on.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
I know.
She's so cute.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, share, and comment in our videos. Bye.
Bye, because I'm still gonna watch my Filipino channel.
Jading.
Jading.
That one.
Till I met you.
So we just bought a new electric fan. That's
No,
a
it's not
heater.
an electric fan. It's a heater.
See? Heat dish. Oh my god, the camera is so heat. So hot already. Cause our heater is like cannot handle the cold in here.
I know it takes forever. You know, it takes probably like an hour or two to heat up, and I can't move my fingers, and it's tough.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Cause audio won't stop talking.
Bye, Emma. I miss you, Emma. I wanna hug you again, Emma.
Then we visit Arizona then.
I know. Let's go to Arizona.
Oh, bye.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Focus camera. Oh my god, the ring light is like. I can see my pimples, man. The face recognition.
Wow. I can feel it.